Alright, my viewers, let's find out some interesting facts about a person on your mind. I'll try my best to give you however much information I should be. Okay, so go ahead and choose your pile. You can align a number of piles to a number of people also. There can be many important people in your life. Now, this is not only about romantic relationship, but it can be. So whatever the relationship, whatever the person on your mind that you are curious about or even she might be important in your life, go ahead and choose your pile. You can play with the reading in the way that you want to. You can ask the other person's point of view towards you, or you can actually inquire about somebody on your mind. It can be done either ways. It is an interesting reading, so apply it as you want to. It is a general reading, no doubt. If you have very important decisions to make, I would really urge you to book a personal reading before taking any decision in your life. Otherwise, to know an overview about the person, yes, it is going to help you a lot. Enjoy with the reading. Align as many people if you want to. Be open to however you want to explore this reading. I'm wishing you all the best. Bye-bye for now. I'll see you in the reading. Number 3, or question number 3, I'm seeing this person is a very polar apart kind of a person. I would like, sometimes you might feel this person is probably very easygoing, and then the other times you might feel that they get egoistic or very challenging. They might get just intimidated by your, I don't know about relation for sure. I'm seeing that this person might be very self-critical in their own mind. They're not very satisfied with their own personality in a way. That is the reason why they judge themselves with your personality. They compare kind of, and I don't know how much you know this person. I mean, of course, if they are important to you at the moment, universe really wants you to be a bit cautious about their intentions, because they are very fickle-minded and they're very confused most of the time. They're not very, their mind talks a lot actually. There's a lack of peace in their mind is what I'm seeing. Why? Because they keep judging themselves a lot. They keep judging themselves a lot. I'm seeing that they really want to be like you because they admire you a lot. They might or might not say, as I said, that they are all apart at times. So it might be that sometimes they would just want to give you some compliments. So it can be verbally or it can be in their heart. Just take as it resonates, because I'm seeing both the conditions here. So yes, there is some kind of paperwork probably that you need to do with this person. If it is a document, if some kind of a patch up, maybe you're not on talking terms because they might not have been that honest to you. I mean, you might just kind of just felt backstabbed by them. But actually, whatever they did was partly intentionally, because they are very alarmed by your personality, but at the same time they are very kind of, you can say, fog-headed. Like they don't have a clear vision at all, so they do not see you clearly because they do not see themselves very clearly. So yes, there is an intention of patching up with you, reconciliation with you in some way, or for others it can be some kind of a deal that you need to close with this person. It can be a professional or a personal relationship, personal deal, it can be anything. But this person is very fickle-minded. They're very confused. They do not take decisions very easily and they think a lot.